Do you prefer coffee or tea? Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I'm a coffee person. I'm a coffee person.
What's your favorite outdoor activity? What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like hiking. I like hiking.
Are you a fan of technology? Are you a fan of technology?
Yes, I love gadgets. Yes, I love gadgets.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday? How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I often have a small party with friends. I often have a small party with friends.
Do you have a favorite childhood memory? Do you have a favorite childhood memory?
Camping trips with my family. Camping trips with my family.
What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples. I like apples.
Are you a morning coffee person? Are you a morning coffee person?
Definitely, can't start the day without it. Definitely, can't start the day without it.
Do you like going to the beach? Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. Yes, I love the beach.
What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show?
I like sitcoms. I like sitcoms.
How do you stay active? How do you stay active?
I go jogging in the evenings. I go jogging in the evenings.
What's your favorite type of pizza? What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like pepperoni. I like pepperoni.
Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing. Yes, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
I like adventure novels. I like adventure novels.
Do you like museums? Do you like museums?
Yes, I find them interesting. Yes, I find them interesting.
How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress?
I take deep breaths and go for a walk. I take deep breaths and go for a walk.
Do you have a favorite app on your phone? Do you have a favorite app on your phone?
I use a weather app a lot. I use a weather app a lot.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor? What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate. I like chocolate.
Do you enjoy going to parties? Do you enjoy going to parties?
Yes, I like socializing. Yes, I like socializing.
What's your favorite type of weather? What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days. I like sunny days.
How big is your family? How big is your family?
We are a family of 4. We are a family of 4.
What do your parents do for a living? What do your parents do for a living?
My mom is a teacher and my dad is an engineer. My mom is a teacher and my dad is an engineer.
What do you like to do together as a family? What do you like to do together as a family?
We enjoy going on hikes and playing board games. We enjoy going on hikes and playing board games.
Does your family have any special traditions? Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, we always have a big dinner on holidays. Yes, we always have a big dinner on holidays.
What's your favorite memory with your family? What's your favorite memory with your family?
I loved our trip to the beach last summer. I loved our trip to the beach last summer.
Please support us by liking and leaving a nice comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest updates.